Well, today I found this switch, but evidently the screws are missing. So I went out to find some. Just thought it'd just be easy enough just to go down and get some screws from Ace Hardware, but come to find out it's a different thread. So I don't know what kind of thread it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run a tap through there to make some new threads. But now here's the most important thing. If you want to trap the shavings off of this, then you want to use shaving cream. Now on a automotive or wherever that you don't have to worry about electrical stuff around it, you can use grease, and that'll catch all the shavings that come off this tap as it's going through. But on electrical stuff, use something that'll dry, and since it's water based, once you finish doing this, then you've trapped all the shavings from there. It's hard just to get a little bit out of there. We're getting there. Just hang on a minute. Alright, being these are brass, see if there's any I can see in here. Yeah, there's a little bit in there too. There, you do see some on there. Anyway, this goes to show you that's how you trap the metal when you're working on electrical components. Just make sure you blow it out real good and let it dry before you hook it up. Might as well soak it down with some WD. Alrighty, good luck.